Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kiara. Today I'm going to talk about the very important topic, which is Section 65B of Indian Evidence Act. So here I would like to tell you about Section 65B of Indian Evidence Act talks about the admissibility of the electronic records. So I would like to tell you about this thing is, जैसे कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट है अगर वो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म में है, आप कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट कोर्ट में प्रोड्यूस करते हो एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक फॉर्म. इन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग what you have to do is you have to put the section 65B certificate along with it, and that particular 65B certificate must satisfy the clause under clause 2 of section 65B. Now I would like to tell you about what is section 65B clause 2 says. Number 1, it talks about the conditions. Number 1, the regular use of computer. For example, you are providing any information and it is fetched by any of the computer. That computer must be in a regular condition. Secondly, regular information. For example, रेगुलर इन्फॉर्मेशन आनी चाहिए, एज इन कि एक पर्टिकुलर डे की इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं चाहिए कि जिस दिन इंसिडेंट हुआ सिर्फ उस दिन की. दैट पर्टिकुलर कंप्यूटर मस्ट हैव द रेगुलर इन्फॉर्मेशन होनी चाहिए उसमें. थर्ड, दैट पर्टिकुलर सिस्टम इज ऑपरेटिंग प्रॉपरली एज इन डेली बेसिस पे ऑपरेट हो रहा हो और पहले की भी उसमें इंफॉर्मेशन हो. For example, I'll take up a case where you are proving your case on the basis of CCTV footage. Now, the CCTV camera must prescribe the footage of all the previous days as well, not only of the particular day from where you are supposed to prove that particular incident. So, the fourth condition is information fed. Information जो आपकी आई है वो fed भी होनी चाहिए. This is what Section 65B certificate is all about. But to prove your case, if you are providing any sort of electronic documents inside the court, you have to prove its admissibility by putting the certificate of Section 65B along with it. Otherwise, it will not be admissible in court. Thank you. I hope you like my video. If you have any doubts regarding Section 65B of Indian Evidence Act, do let me know in my comment section and I'll come up with all your queries and all your doubts in my next video. Thank you so much.